Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the program to receive trading signals and be able to automate your trades. This is the Mac version. I have explained this on the quantlabs.net/blog. That page there under crypto trading quant analytics tutorials. In there, what I'm speaking about is basically, if you scroll down, you'll see this quick trading signal client install and usage demo. So this is what I'm speaking about, this particular program. So once you get all that, kind of understand how it works, it's pretty simple though. All you gotta do is come over to, and you become a paying customer of the Signal service, and you get your user ID and all that set up. You should be able to get access to, under the quantlabs.net/academy, be able to log in, and then from there just come under analytics, signals dashboard, to the signals dashboard, and then you'll see this option here for software download, and all you got to do is click that, and then there's going to be some choices here. Right now for the Mac version, what you're looking for is, well, the Mac OS client here, and a couple things just to highlight here is I give some instructions and some notes, and to just get it working, all you have to do is just click that little green arrow for that particular version. That should download what you need right there, and then you see it's in a zip format. Just go OK, and then what you can do is you can navigate over. There's two options depending upon how technical you are on Mac. Is to run it, is you'll see this distribution folder, and you can either run it via this, get past the security, or that doesn't appear to work, or just come to the appropriate directory. So in our case, we're going to go to downloads, and then distribution for wherever you download it, and you just run it as is, just like crypto email bot, and you'll launch the little GUI, get user, and again you'll notice here that the configuration, the config bot file is there. So let me just break that. Let me just show that to you. So in my case, for editor, whatever editor you use, bot ini, there you go, all the information you need, and that's the config bot ini file, and then you can just run it by typing in period slash and then the name of the file, which is this guy, and then that will launch the program for you. And as I've shown before in the tutorial video, and everything should start working after this. Launch bot, and there you go. You go yes if you got a virus program or security, and it's ready to receive your signals, and go from there. All right, so that's hopefully pretty straightforward for you. Other than that, we shall talk to you later. Thanks for watching.